Lie with your right side down, facing me, please. Alright. Let it go right here. Let it go. There we go. Other side. Right here. Let it go. Okay, flat on her back. And I'm gonna get her hips too, okay? Let your leg go. There we go. Alright, let your leg go. There we go. Nicely done. Okay. Hug yourself because you love yourself. Alright, let me bring you down. Let it go. Drop your shoulders. Good. One more. Let it go right here. Let it go. There we go. Let it go right here. Okay. All right. You're all set.
Thank you, Dr.
Okay.
Doll.